Welcome back to John Warner Taste of Culture. Just assessing the property to see if there was any damage from the hurricane that passed through last night. But thankfully, no serious damage. I lost the avocado to an animal because avocado fell last night. But thankfully, no serious damage. Everything is looking good. Everything's upright, as you can see. So we're very thankful. Yes, indeed. Going to look at this planting right now that's fruiting. So you see right here, the bottom part got these little flies and wasps and stuff just taking the nectar off these little small shoots. So what we're going to do is we're just going to go ahead and cut this part off like so. Leaving that so it can focus on taking care of business. And you can see these little ants has been taken over, but it's okay. We all gotta survive, and we all gotta do what we gotta do. Here at John Warner Taste of Culture, we are blessed, and we give thanks at all times, and at all times we give thanks. And please remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe to our channel. We do appreciate the support. Stay blessed.